In this video, I'll show you the 5 best high-yield savings accounts. If you're saving money at a local bank or even one of the big ones like Bank of America, Chase, or Wells Fargo, you're probably losing out on tens, hundreds, even thousands of dollars every year. That's because these savings accounts are paying you an average of 0.36% interest. You heard that right. Your money is growing about 1/3 of 1% per year. That means for every $1,000 you're saving, you'd earn a measly $3.60. For $10,000 saved, only $36. And for $100,000 saved, just $360. Compare that to the high yield savings accounts I'll be going over in this video that can get you up to 5.5% APY. That's more than 15 times the national average. If you're new here, hi, I'm John, a personal finance geek that's been obsessed about all things related to money since I was a kid. I have a business degree, an MBA, 15 years of corporate experience, and to date have launched 3 successful startups. My friends and family always come to me for tips on how to make more money, save it better, so I decide why not share my knowledge on YouTube so we can all increase our financial IQ. Okay, let's get started on how your hard-earned money can make more money for you. To show you how this works, here's a screenshot of one of my high-yield savings accounts and how much interest I was paid each month. To be mentioned today, savings accounts must meet several requirements. First, the account must be available to anyone in the United States. Second, it must be FDIC insured so the money is protected. Third, it must offer a significantly higher than average interest rate. Fourth, I had to open an account myself to provide you first-hand knowledge of the pros and cons of each option. And fifth, if you felt the information was helpful, feel free to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'm new on here, so it helped tremendously. As a thank you, I'll even tell you which account has a welcome bonus so you can earn a little bit extra at no cost to you. One last note is that while the interest rate and welcome bonuses are accurate when I posted this video, depending on when you watch it, some of it may have changed. But don't worry, I keep the list of the best high-yield savings accounts up to date on my website, link in the description below. Coming in at number 5 is the Discover Online Savings Account. There's no minimum opening deposit required and the account doesn't charge a monthly fee. Right now, it offers a solid rate of 4.25%. While that's not the absolute highest rate on this list, it may be right for you for a few reasons. The account is offered by a well-known financial services company with a great reputation. Discover has also recently allowed customers to use a single sign-on for credit cards and banking, streamline your ability to manage your finances if you're a Discover cardholder. My favorite aspect of the Discover Online Savings Account is that it has an outgoing transfer limit of up to $250,000 per 30-day rolling period. That can be important for those who need to move their money around, especially when you compare that to some of the banks that have limits of under $10,000 per day. Coming at number 4 is the SoFi Savings Account. Just like Discover, SoFi comes with no monthly fees and no minimum balance to open an account. What's unique about the SoFi Savings Account is that it includes a checking account. You can't just open a savings account, but that's not actually a bad thing because you can use this checking account to pay your bills and a savings account to save. You can transfer between the two accounts at any time and the transfer happens instantly. You can earn a whopping 4.6% with the SoFi Savings Account. That's a little more than Discover. However, to earn that rate, SoFi requires you to make a monthly direct deposit. The good thing is the direct deposit can be in any amount. Even if it's just $1, it will qualify you for the 4.6% rate. For the months you don't make a direct deposit, you'll earn a low base rate of 1.2%. The most interesting part about SoFi is that it has a great sign-up bonus. You'll get a $25 bonus just for opening an account and making a deposit of $50 within 14 days. Then you can earn up to an additional $300 bonus for setting up direct deposits within the promotional period. I included the offer link in the description below if you want to learn more. Coming at number 3 is Wealthfront. Wealthfront is better known for their investment products, but it offers a cash account that earns a base rate of 5%. The cash account has no fees whatsoever, unlimited withdrawals and transfers, and up to $8 million in FDIC insurance through their partner banks. You can boost your rate from 5% to 5.5% for 3 months by using someone's referral link to open an account. After that, you can continue to enjoy a 0.5% boost by referring friends who are new to Wealthfront. You earn an additional 3 months for each friend who joins, up to a maximum of 6 months at a time. I do want to point out that the interest is earned for balances up to $250,000. Any amounts over that threshold won't earn interest. While that may not affect most people, it's something to keep in mind. The ultra-competitive rate makes Wealthfront a compelling choice and worthy of the number 3 spot. However, I consider the next 2 accounts better options because you don't need to refer people to achieve an extremely high rate. Coming at number 2 is Raisin. Raisin stands out because it isn't a bank itself, but rather a platform where you can access different savings products with exclusive interest rates from bank partners across the United States. Many of these rates are not available elsewhere, not even on the partner bank's website. For example, through Raisin, you can earn an impressive 5.27% with a bank partner, Western Alliance Bank. Users can open and manage multiple savings accounts on the platform. While your funds are held and insured by the issuing bank, you don't need to navigate to each bank's website. Your money is pooled in the custodial account at the bank that owns the savings product you open. All transactions are managed through Raisin, so you won't get a separate bank account number, but you'll still enjoy the same benefit from FDIC insurance. So who's Raisin right for? It's ideal for those who want to chase the highest rates because you can easily switch banks all on one platform. It may not be the best choice if you prefer to do business directly with a bank. Since Raisin doesn't provide a bank account number or routing number like a traditional savings account, you can't do things like a direct deposit. If that's important to you, then the next savings account I mentioned is something you definitely want to consider. The number one high yield savings account on my list is UFB Direct. There are no monthly maintenance fees and no minimum deposit required to open this account. UFB offers a jaw-dropping rate of 5.25%. There are no requirements to get this rate. This is the base rate, and it's truly incredible. However, you can bump this even higher, up to 5.4% APY, and here's how. Kind of similar to SoFi, where you have a savings and checking account, UFB wants to incentivize you to also open their checking account. And if you open a UFB checking account and do these three things, you'll unlock the exceptional rate of 5.45%. First, open a UFB checking account and set up direct deposits that total $5,000 a month. Do that and you'll unlock an additional 0.05%. Second, if you can maintain a minimum balance of $10,000 a month, you'll unlock an additional 0.1%. Third, if you make 10 transactions with a debit card during each statement cycle, you'll earn an additional 0.05% boost. Add all that together and you can get another 0.2% interest added to the base rate of 5.25% for a total of 5.45%. Candidly, I don't love the checking account requirements, and you may not either, but the base 5.25% is still crazy good. Personally, I love the USB savings account, and it's the one I'm currently using for most of my savings. Overall, these are the 5 best savings accounts that I would recommend. If I had to pick just one, it would be UFB, but all of them are great for different reasons. Keep in mind you can open more than one savings account. There's nothing negative for doing so. At the end of the day, these banks are competing for your business. And if you're really smart, if at some point when another account offers a higher rate, just jump ship to the highest offer. There's no loyalty in this game. I hope you found this helpful. Please consider subscribing if you haven't. Only 9% of my viewers have smashed that subscribe button. And remember, your financial journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, think big. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.